setting gold. Got a 14-cat woman now. This I know. I play the blues guitar, y'all, and it's a fact that when I drive my car now, it's a Cadillac. Well, I'm a Cadillac man. It's a Cadillac man. I'm a Cadillac man. Cadillac man. Well, Lord have mercy. Yes, I'm a Cadillac man. Cadillac man.
You did great. Welcome to the world of Skydive.
It's a victory.
It's a victory. And we're safe.
We're safe. I did it. I still don't know what to do with my hands, but I feel great. Yeah, we'll fly away, and man, that was fun. Great job.
Thank you, Ellie.